In a magical forest lived Lama, a curious squirrel. One day, a gentle wind began to whisper, carrying a soft, mysterious sound. Lama paused, feeling as if the wind was calling her name. Trusting her instincts, Lama followed the whispering breeze. It gently guided her deeper into the enchanting woods, rustling leaves and swaying branches along the way. Her big, expressive eyes scanned the path ahead, full of wonder. Soon, Lama discovered a small animal trapped beneath a fallen tree. With a heart full of concern, she carefully approached. Using her cleverness and strength, Lama worked tirelessly to free her new friend. As the little animal was finally safe, the whispering wind began to fade. Its gentle presence softened, then quietly disappeared into the magical forest, leaving a peaceful silence. Lama smiled, a warm feeling of satisfaction filling her heart. She understood that sometimes the most important guidance comes when we truly listen, and helping others brings the greatest joy.